Does anything prevent your business, besides any laws, from manipulating a market, trading limits, or anything else that may affect an end user to control your bottom line? Dan and Travis, actually.
Well, so I mean, obviously, laws are the biggest thing that we're regulated by the CFTC. It's important to note, Nadex is an exchange. We're here to match buyers and sellers. We don't participate in the markets. So Nadex as a firm, nor any of the employees are allowed to trade on Nadex. This is how we remain unbiased. Right? We don't have a vested interest in the outcome of either trade. There's always a buyer or seller, and if it's held till expiration, one is going to be right.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great point. I mean, it's unfortunate. You get a perception that, you know, as a comparison, that Nadex is like a casino, and we're the house, and you know, we're going to win, you know, 90% of the time, and we're pocketing, you know, all the winnings. It's just simply not the case. I mean, no different than CME or any regulated exchange. We are an intermediary. We simply match the buyer and the seller. The way Nadex makes money in full transparency is through the fees that we charge to execute your trade. No different than, you know, the same fees that you would pay at any other brokerage firm. So it's a fee-based business. We're not incentivized for one customer or another to perform better or worse in any way. To Dan's point, we simply are matching buyers and sellers. That's all we're doing.